Well, we're 18 miles from Valdez, and we have probably seen 20 or 30 waterfalls. Here's one with a pullover that we can see. And then there's another one here. Not a great angle. And then another one over here. Wow, just absolutely stunningly beautiful. And yes, we have passed by several. Carla's got some quick snapshots of them. But this is fantastic.
Work inside. You can see.
It looks like it's in slow motion. Whoops. So absolutely beautiful. Thank you, Lord Jesus, for another one of your creations. Have a great day. Or not. The choice is yours most of the time.